Hey folks, how you doing? Susie Meadows here. Welcome. We're going to do a little bit of paper crafting today. We're going to play with one of my new faves. I haven't used it much, but we are going to be crafting with the Hexagon Punch. By the way, this is Monday, November 27th, my normal Facebook Live, and always at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you'll know you're watching the live. You look up in that corner over there and you see the live rectangle. Otherwise, you're watching the replay, which is lovely. I appreciate you watching no matter when it is. So, or you may be watching on YouTube. I do save these over on YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you in the stand and we're gonna get going here. So, but hang on, that means I've got to get up close and personal to do that. So hang on just a minute as I push the buttons. There we go, and get you in the stand and get you down. And I need to confirm I'm in the right spot. I didn't think to do that. So let's go ahead and look at this here. Pardon me. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I sure did. It was a busy time, but you know, if we could have just had our forefathers not plan Thanksgiving and Christmas just a few weeks away, that just would have been the berries. I would have loved that. But it didn't work out that way, so that's okay. But I appreciate the chance to get together with my family. We had everybody over here, so it worked pretty good. So, hey, just want to let you know, I do have a in-person class December 14th. That's in a couple weeks at the Lebanon Library. So if you're interested, let me know. And you can let me know by going to my website, craftingwithsusie.stampinup.net. And you can sign up there. RSVP. I have 2 different classes at 3 o'clock or at 5:30. And the class is $20 unless you choose you would rather purchase some lovely crafting goodies, and you can use the host code. This is my host code for just till the end of the week. This is my November one, and I will post my December one in this event also. So just let you know if you want to do some crafting together, final holiday details, that's what we're looking at, cards, gift holder, a gift card holder, and treat packaging. So, and as you probably know, this catalog is going bye-bye. Oh, I'm sad. It's been a fun one, but they have released the last chance list or retiring items and also the items that are continuing on. So I have those on my website. I have them in the newsletter I sent and also on Facebook. So just keep that in mind. These are only while supplies last. So, okay, enough of the announcements. Let's get to it. Like I said, this is what we're going to play with, the Hexagon Punch. And I like these because, you know, they're compact. You get to open them up like that, or you can close them to store. So, and I'm going to go ahead and use the bundle. So I am going to use this stamp set. This you can get online. It is actually in the next catalog that's going to be coming out quickly. Oh, and if you are wanting a catalog, let me know. I am putting the information in the mail selector. I have to do that by the end of the month. So let me know if you want a catalog mailed to you. Of course, those of you locally in my classes, I will be bringing them there. But otherwise, let me know. So, okay, so we're just going to make a card with the punch and this. So let's get this out of the way. The nice thing about this card is you can use whatever pretty pattern paper you have. I love this pattern paper. This is the Joy of Christmas. And there's other types, but as you can see, I've already been punching some. So let's see, and see it's double-sided. So I don't know, let's do one like, we're just gonna punch out several of these, and then we're gonna see what we wanna do with it. So I have that one and I have that one. Let's get that out of the way. And we'll do, I don't know, we'll do one of these. And what's on the other side? Ooh, we've got the pretty green. Well, let's do some green too. But I don't know what I'm going to use, so that's why I'm punching several of them out. And then we will put this card together. I think this is so pretty. Ooh, pretty. So I think I'll go one like there. And, oh, look at the notes on the other side. So we'll do a notes. Okay, I think that's enough for right now. So we will we'll get so here's what we've got. We've got this one, we've got that, and that. And let's get these down. Okay, so these are what we're going to play with. So I'm just going to start with a half a sheet, a card base, which is just half a sheet of our 8.5 by 11. And I've already scored it because it's thick. I like using the thick rather than just the normal because that holds up really nice with a card. It's a substantial card. So let's go ahead and crease that. Now, I think let's just do some playing. So, okay, so let's see what these look like. So, okay, now we need some greens in here. I like, oh, that is gorgeous. That's my favorite right there. What if we do that? And what if we do some notes? We can do things like that. Ooh, I sort of like that. Okay, but what if we go with this? I don't know. This is where you just do some playing, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing some playing. Because we'll see. I like that. And what if we go like this? And what's on the back of this? We have green, or we have that. Well, what would that do? That sort of makes you think some symmetry there. What if we, ooh. So we've got, that's my oddball, isn't it? Imagine that, one little oddball. I could always turn it, though, and make it symmetrical. Oh, la, 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 la. Or we could go like, ooh, now see, that's a different color, but I don't know that I like those. I sort of like that right there. Okay, so I like that right there. So now let's do a sentiment on here. Before I put this down, let's get my stamp set. We're going to go with the shaded spruce here, and that is Pebbled Path. So let's start with our Pebbled Path. And this is where I need to bring my punch in to see. Okay, I'm going to do it like, punch it like that. So this is the outline. And just straight down and transfer the ink. So, like I said, we had a good Thanksgiving. We actually celebrated on Friday. So actually on Thursday, when everybody else was celebrating, I was cleaning house, getting ready for everybody. And then we also had, we had a Thanksgiving on Sunday. So I had 2 days. Nope, Friday and Saturday is when it was. Yes, yes. So there's the shaded spruce. So let's close the ink up because it's always dangerous if I have ink pads left over. Because I've tossed them on the floor. I've dropped them on my pants. I've dropped a finished card in ink pad before. Okay, and this is going to go right here. Now, I thought I might do, well, look who I have a helper. Sir Whiskers. Really, really, buddy. Really. We can go like that or like that. I think just like that. So, okay. He's just very concerned. I don't know what his issue is. He's been fed. Well, but the thing is, he likes to eat. So he probably wants more. As he chirps as me as he leaves. So I'm just using some liquid glue just to put him down real quick and easy. I am going to pop up I got to remember how I had them because I dropped them, didn't I? I think I want them like that. Yes, and I want that like that. I'm going to pop up my sentiment. Elevate it, I do believe. So I want this down here. I'm just eyeballing these. I'm putting the outsides on first. So that way, what I put on top, it may not be exactly to size or the right spot, but it will give an appearance that it's symmetrical. Whether it is or not, it probably is not. Do not get the measuring tape out. So I think I want you right in here. There we go. So that is our card base. Now, you know, I want to be able, I could put that right there, but then we're not going to see the notes. I want to see the notes. So I'm going to come over to here, and I want, pardon me, I want to elevate this. So I'm putting on a few dimensionals. So I haven't played with this bundle too much, and I want to do some more playing with it. I like it. I like the hexagon punch. I like that right there. So now I think we need to use just a little bit of bling. And the bling that I thought about using is the Trio Faceted Gems. These are in the holiday catalog, but they are carrying over. And I thought going with this up at the top, does it say what color? No, but that's okay. White, pretty, and pretty. How's that? Oh, goodness. Yes, yes, yes. These are a little thicker, but that's okay. I think I'll put one there. And up here. I like going in 3, so if I could put one there, or I don't know. What does the white look like? Ooh, the white looks pretty too. Oh, I like that. That's shiny. Let's put that right there. So there we go. We have a quick and easy. I could use ribbon, but I don't think so. I like it. I think it's a little simple, but I sort of like that. And so this was just with the punch. And true, yes, we did the bundle. So we did use the stamp set, but you could use any of your stamp sets. So take a punch that you have and do a whole bunch in pretty paper and do your sentiment, and you got a quick card. So let me show you a couple others that I have done with this. Now, I did one like this just playing earlier, and I did it with the same paper, but I did different shapes, and I chose some of the different paper. So in here, I actually cut some of these off. But so I used the same faceted gems, but I backed it with some of that pretty paper. So that is, and then I've got 2 others. Oh, thank you, Sir Whiskers. He's talking to me. He's sitting down here meowing at me. Here's one I did earlier. I had this Merry Melody 3D embossing folder. They say this is joy to the world if you turn it upside down. I don't play piano, so I don't know that. So, but anyway, so I embossed this and then used just a little bit of ink to highlight that, the notes. And this particular paper, I've got to pull it over here. That paper is the Joyful Specialty paper. So it's got just a little bit of bling on it, a little bit of gold. And I couldn't decide I wanted that sentiment, but I couldn't decide on the colors. So I tried that, and I thought, that's a little too bland. So that's what I actually went with. So I went with the cherry color to go with that red. So that was one that I did, and let me show you. I have one other. We did this a while ago. Some of the demonstrators, we got together, and when they introduced this particular bundle, and this is the card that they gave us as an example to make. And it's this same punch, but it's only using portions. So it's just using a portion of the punch out. So, but that was fun. So I thought it's nice and bright, and let's eat cake. So that was a fun one. So gang, like I said, I just wanted to show you how to use this Heartfelt Hexagon Punch. It's fairly new. Like I said, you can order it. It's online. It's one of the online, it's online right now, but it is going to be in the next catalog if I remember right. So use whatever pretty paper you've got and make some pretty cards. And then make sure you send them. That's important. So, gang, if you've got any questions, get a hold of me at craftingwithsusie.stampinup.net. And that is also the link to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my Instagram, all that lovely social media, plus my email and stuff. So, and I will be back next Monday, which is December 4th. So hope you are doing well and stay warm. It's a little chilly here in Indiana, but you take care and I'll chat with you later. Take care. Bye-bye.